Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on this little cooking area. We're going to make it covered. We're going to move the grill out from underneath the porch and put it out here. It's only 6 foot wide and 4 foot deep, and it's going to have a metal roof on it. And I've already set the poles, the posts. They're 6x6s, and I've started notching in rafters, and I'm using 2x4 rafters, but I'm going to cover them with 1x6s, and we're going to put a metal roof on it. But I'll show you all that as we get further along. Okay, it's starting to take a little shape now at the roof. That's what it's going to look like. It's going to have a 6x6 bracket there, but I don't have it yet, so I'm just got a temporary 2x, but that's roughly what it's going to look like. It's got about a 8 or 10 inch overhang on the back, and there really isn't any on the sides because we didn't really need it, but anyhow, that's how it's going to look. This side here is only going to be 4 feet high, so it's, when you're standing in here, you can use this as a shelf. The grill will be right here. Okay, it's starting to take shape a little better. You get a sense of what it's going to look like now. It's going to extend out about 6 feet. You got the brackets, all the brackets on. The metal is going to be next. And we're going to cover this back side with some siding material, probably hardy material. Alright, so this is what we're putting on the side. It matches the building. It's hardy with a 2-inch strip piece, and then we'll have this on this one. We'll have this on top. We're going to cover both sides, and this one is going to be full length, 6 foot.
So where'd those hardy strips come from?
These strips are the same material as this. I cut them in 2-inch wide pieces. It's 12-inch hardy soffit, cut in 2-inch strips. Okay, we're getting close. We got a little bit of paint to do on the fascia, but the rest of the building's complete. We got to put some concrete pads down there so we can move the grill out. It's got hardy siding, it's got metal ceiling, metal roof, it matches the house, and it's got PVC fascia. So, appreciate you watching. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you later.